Definitely. And you're going to
Especially
build
you.
great things.
She was the most afraid.
I remember.
The table saw went on and she disappeared. We were like, "Where's Susie?" And then she comes into the door after the table saw turned off. It's like, "No, too scary, right?" Like, it's just like, but we got you going. We got you using it. So we at least got her to practice a little bit. But just like John said, it's like this is actually not just a team; it's like more of like a family. Like every day, like after class, we'd go into the lunchroom and they'd be like, "Here, you want food? Here, have food." It's like everybody would be feeding each other, and you just don't see that every day. And I'd say one of the important things that came from I never learned as much Spanish and French in my life. I have this weird combination of those two languages. I know how to speak Spanish and French all at the same time. We had a little bit of fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
I think you guys made it more enjoyable than any of the other classes I've ever had. So it was because of you guys.
Thank you.
And don't forget that.